Okay, boomers. Today I'm making porridge, but instead of using easy peasy porridge, I used easy peasy porridge in a packet. It's not this one. I used a tiny bit of this because, used a tiny bit of this because there wasn't enough of it. I shall show you. I am not lying. This is what I'm talking about. Strawberry jam. I'll clear my hands now. Just got it out of the rubbish bin. Washing your hands, washing your hands. What's the song? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Nice, fresh, clean. Okay. I'm actually still doing this video while I'm listening to my iBook. So I'm doing really good. It's kind of a bit confusing. You can hear somebody talking while I'm talking at the same time. But I just wanted to see how I can manage it. Mixing the porridge. It's going to be lovely. The strawberry flavour. I've never had this before, so I don't need this anymore, but I will keep it because wasting is not a good idea. Nice. So it smells beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go off and eat my porridge now. Bye, boomerinos.